Hi everybody, good evening. Today is this new room released by Tryhackme, Aurora EDR. It's my first time using this hearing about Aurora EDR. I start liking more and more um, the blue side of team. Of course, this is about introduction to the EDR, event tracking in Windows. So basically, is an event system. So another type of event you can use for blue team. Of course, this is an introduction for EDR. Everybody can read about it. Data recording. Of course, EDR is a detect endpoint detection and response. Okay, the first question is directly there. So it's an endpoint detection and response. So it detects something. Then there is a rule inside that will, of course, do some change with Sigma rules. No event tracking in Windows. You have the controller, the provider, the consumer. You can read all about this. I'm more doing the walkthrough later on in the lab. You can see this one. Then recent event viewer. This information warning, 6 audit, failure audit. Event viewer. We'll have later on a look at the event viewer in Windows. Of course, this application system security and all of that. You have this room there, you can check, and then let's start. Which application produce event logs? You can go here. Which application? I'm confused now. Uh, the application that to prevent log is the provider. So we can go there. Applications that subscribe to event log are calls. This is a consumer, so we can, because it's provider and is a consumer. Which event level will be used to describe a significant problem with the server? A significant problem with the server. So what's that? That's the question. Which event level? Event level. Windows event. So it's an describe a significant problem. Of course, as in here, it's not a warning. Warning is just it's wrong, but not disastrous. What is the Windows event log category responsible for recording event associated with program currently running called? Record associated with program. Record running, so it's a system. Alright, now we go to Aurora. We'll come back now to this lab just now. Aurora is a Windows endpoint agent that uses Sigma rule. Of course, Sigma rule that we used this before in one of the mini rooms in Tryhackme. Of course, there's already two versions. There's pro version, paid version. There's a free version. Of course, all this information. There's also a preset standard reduced minimum intense. Of course, that's how you run a roll. I don't want to use these things because so I don't mess up the lab later on. You can see Aurora here. There's a lab later on. We'll see all of this. The flags on all of that. This is the event ID. Same things as process creation Sigma match. Which Aurora preset support the height CPU. We talk about preset. The preset are the standard, reduced, minimum, intense. Now highest CPU is this, so it will be intense. So let's take that one. Then which process will be terminated when the response flag ancestor 3. Now if we go here, process ID, no, this is ancestor. The ancestor flag specifies that the response will affect the process ancestor, not itself. So it's like a parent process. Is indicated by integer to show the level ancestor. So you have 1 is the parent, then you have the grandparent. So number 3 will be parent, grandparent will be great parent. great grandparent, parent, great grandparent. Then when the Aurora agent is terminated, which event ID will be used? Aurora agent terminated. Register Aurora agent terminated is 103. So let's do that. Now here it started to prepare us for the lab. So that's how the warning of Aurora it's like it's integrated with event viewer. Suspicion network, we'll have that. Then we have Aurora detection gaps, solution, register event, it value, all of that. Now let's go to our things. So you can access by RDP or like me by directly to the machine. Look, let's read very clearly. It said Aurora was installed in Windows, however it's not running. So execute the batch file attached to the desktop to launch the investigation. So that's the batch. So let's start it. And then let us event ID equal 1. And of course we remember the IDs where they are here. ID 1 is process creation Sigma run match. Okay, let's do what is waiting 30 seconds, press a key to continue. Let's press a key and pressing another key. So normally now Aurora should be started. Press another key. No, you can see this file wasn't before here in desktop if you notice now. So the batch is more like is a simulation. So let's go to event log. So that file wasn't there in desktop. So the batch file is more like create for us a simulation. So now the question says, so basically we tracking anything that related to Aurora. So let's do these things faster. So that's the login of course to be smart here. Let's wait for it. Aurora, why is taking a bit long? How is my network at night? This is still okay. Let's do custom view. Let's select everything. Let's say by source. I want to see, so we don't need to waste our time for too much logs. So we can just look for Aurora. Where are you, Aurora? Aurora agent. Let's take these two. Apply. So let's call it Aurora. Aurora EDR. So we don't need to scroll down all things. That's we already have 4 of them. So we have this ID one. I don't see it. I had a problem before with this. Until I restart the machine. Let's check now. These rules and pathways have been cleared. It's not the one. What is this one? Is not. Was the first one? This is information. Microsoft Windows DHCP operation. That's not yet. And that's like something is missing. Let's do this. Exit. The file was created, but the logs are not yet there. Let's check again what it says. It said an instance of the service is running. Okay, let's press continue. Okay, let's get the event back again. I tried this one before and even I restart the machine. Let's wait for it now. Let's not touch it. Let's try create custom view. We can do this. I don't think we need to select it by default, but in any case let's do that. Aurora, is my friend Aurora agent. Okay, I don't need to waste my time. Okay, now we have something. That's number one. He said the question is, what's the title of the first event role? Let's go to details. Title, this one, reconnaissance. Rule ID, that's the rule ID. Then what is the Sigma level is medium. Then what is the rule type of the second event? The second event. So the first one I should be the 7. This one says suspicious voicemail provider, but I don't think is what they're looking for. So the next one will be 99. I think it's a warning. Then the title important, this is also related by Windows. Next one, what is this? No, number 7. Suspicious provider image load, no. And this one, what is it? And this, my goodness, again is a problem here. Rule title, important Windows event log cleared. What is the rule title of the second event? Am I missing something here? Model agent or agent start. This is the start one. Sigma rule match found suspicious. Watson. I don't think this is the one that we're looking for, because this one you can see it's to not work here. Detect sign of mutation, use of voicemail, provide firmware, can process locally remote. I think there's something in this room is not right. You know what, let's do the same thing, because I think it's something not right here. This is the file that was created there in desktop, so it's an Aurora wherever. Let me start the batch again, maybe it will solve this issue. Press continue. When I did it before, I restarted the Windows machine. Let's see if we don't need to restart the machine, because it's very funny now. The event they give us is not the one that is looking for. You can see from the space is 3 letters here and things like that. Okay, let's see if we find it here. There's another one here. Process reconnaissance. No, that's not the one. Process reconnaissance. Suspicious was provider. This is not the one. Important Windows event log cleared. I don't see the second one. What we can do, let's stop it quickly. I think that's the best way. Let's start it again. I think there is something in that batch things, it didn't work correctly. Sorry guys. What we can do now, let's wait for it. Sorry for this. I did it before and I couldn't even see this one, W processor reconnaissance, and then I restarted the machine and it seemed it worked for me. So look at the rule description, and I think it's a file or something. Let's go back to, where is it? Yeah, it's supposed to be Aurora agent like this one. It tell you terminal service process spawn, and then maybe you can use the command line. No need for starting the machine. Let's see if we can stop it from a status or agent. I don't think it's hold on a minute, sorry, it's starting slow. Yeah, what's in the conclusion? This one we have gone through use of our Sigma-based EDR 2 briefly. We did Sigma room, I think. Let's see. Yeah, we did Sigma room before. I don't think there is anything we can learn from here. It's not an EDR, this part is just Sigma rules. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, we can finish this one. Its conclusion. So left these two questions. You can see from he has a specific event, he's looking for it. Yeah, so this is one word, two words, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words. The one we could find this one, but the second one is not going through. I think that batch script, it's either it work or doesn't work, or this machine something wrong with it. Sometimes it happen with Tryhackme. So my understanding, this Aurora doesn't have a GUI or something to access to it, so all this data will come here. So the bash script will create that file in desktop, and somehow we can, because it is a series of special activities have been observed within Tryhackme. CSO recently heard about Aurora and has tasked you to carry out tests on one of the Windows host assess its detection capabilities. Aurora has been installed in Windows host, however it is not running. Execute the batch file in the desktop to launch and investigate any produced events starting with event IDs 1. Okay, that's what we did the first time. You see now there is no, that file in desktop is not here. You see it is no there. So let's see. Should we run to the open it? This time let him run. Let the timer run or before pressing a key to continue. Oh, I think that's our mistake. We need to let the timer run. Let the timer run out before pressing a key to continue. That's why this one was created and this one was not created. Okay, so let's do that. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it's like waiting for the detention. Some 1, 2, 2, 3, 9. So I do it fast. So that's what the problem. Let's see now what happened. Wait for 2 seconds. Press key. Press any key to continue. I will press in. Press any continue. Press any key to continue. Let's try this one if we find it. Event. Let's go to event log. You see the password there. The file appear. Let's do create custom view like I did last time, so it'll be easy for us to these Windows machines when they stuck. So we go by source Aurora. Our agent. Okay, let's get our agent. You can call it whatever you want. Damn it. same damn problem in the first time. I don't see the task 99 Sigma import Windows event log cleared, and then this one is not the one, it's just information. This is just information, and this is just start. Let's do the same before. Let's see if we're lucky this time. It's like he's not waking or something. What the hell is this now? I did the room now half an hour ago, and it when I restarted it worked fine. I don't want to press any key. Press access denied. Why access denied? Let's see. Event. Just agent. We're looking for an ID 1. Need to have an ID 1. Otherwise it doesn't. Yeah, overwrite, yeah. Oh, this one, no. Oof. I don't understand why. That's the Professonic title Pro WMA that we got that one. We're looking for the second one that he's looking for. Why the second one is not? The second one is not coming through. What's the solution now? Aurora agent, Windows, because this is the title. This is not the one, and this one is WM processor connaissance. That's the first one. Let's do this again. Let's run it as an administrator. Let's see what happens. Just continue. I think we need to restart this thing if you want to get search event viewer. Let's see. Oh no, I'm getting a bit upset about this thing. We have our custom view is here, so he did the same problem we had last time. The reconnaissance is reconnaissance again, and then same. This one event that we're looking for is not here. Okay, I have an idea. Let's remove this file, because the event we're looking for is related to this file. Let me run it again as an admin. Let's wait for this 43. This event is looking for is an event related to this file creation, is around somewhere. That's why I know the answer. Let's wait for this time. Let's wait for it. When you create this file, it's supposed to have this is a flash in there. Wait for it. You'll see the file is supposed to create, and that's the file that this second event is related to. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Just stop this recording and try figure it out again. I'm not sure it's but it's better to continue. Oh, see, the file was created. So is the file created? Why the damn event is not coming through? Let's see. Let's wait for it. Custom, we have a custom view. I don't think we needed to create another one. Oh, now I think we are, maybe we're lucky now. We have the first one is the WM plus reconnaissance is there. I'm interested by this warning one. S is the one. You see now it's login. Suspicious file, no? And then if you go to description, what's the based on the rule characteristic, what malicious activity is associated with the event? You see, it's a ransomware. Because basically what happened, the file was created. The file was created in desktop. You can see the file was created. It's like a type of ransomware. Okay guys, sorry, I'm not sure why this happened, but hope you be patient with me. Thank you very much. Please like, support and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.